Quick story for you guys. Growing up, I always played center attacking midfielder. Senior year of high school, my coaches pulled me to the side at halftime of one of our games. We're up 2-0, but we're not possessing the ball very well. They say, Nick, we want you to play like Pirlo. I said, okay, coach, what exactly do you want me to do? We want you to play that true regista role, that deep lying playmaker role. What I learned on that day in playing like Pirlo, in order to be a true architect on the field, to be that composer, to dictate the tempo of the game from that deep lying regista playmaker role, you have to prioritize that first touch. Without a good first touch, you can't do anything else. So today, I'm gonna be going over 5 first touch exercises that'll help you play like Pirlo. Let's get right into the video. First exercise here, we're gonna play the ball against the wall. When I'm moving to the left, I'm using the inside of my right foot to receive the ball and then play it against the wall again. And then once more, inside of my right foot, play it against the wall. Now when I'm moving the opposite direction to the right side, I'll use the inside of my left foot to move the ball laterally. You want your first touches to be accurate, precise, and help you in maintaining possession. So it needs to be right there on your foot so you can pass, move, continue the play. Real quick point, if you're doing this at home, in order to truly play like Pirlo, increase your precision, you do it with these cones, not those flat cones that the ball can just run on top of. In order to truly test yourself, because you're gonna be playing the ball, it's gonna run over those cones, it's gonna knock it over. It's gonna piss you off, but it's gonna teach you to be more precise with your passing, and it's really gonna improve your game. So take my advice, use those bigger cones. Exercise 2 now. Our first touch is with the outside of our foot. So when we're moving to the left, we're using the outside of our left. Taking it, playing against the wall, taking it. Now when we're moving to the right, we're using the outside of our right foot. With exercise 2, you really want to get in that low stance and then play. Drop your body low and play. It's gonna help you maintain possession of the ball and get that nice first touch on it. So lower that center of gravity, drop your shoulder, take it with the outside of your foot, play. Exercise 3 now, a bit more difficult because the ball might be bouncing a bit, but we're gonna try to take it with the sole of our foot. So when we're moving to the left side, taking it with the sole of our right foot, play it against the wall, sole of our right foot again, play it against the wall. Now when we're moving to the right side, we're gonna take it with the sole of our left foot. I'm sure some people at home watching these 5 exercises may think, just watching them, that they're simple, that they're gonna be easy, so they're not gonna try them. But I'm telling you, try these. At the beginning, they're gonna be difficult, but just stick with it. It'll sharpen your skills, it'll improve your first touch, I promise you. All right, exercise number 4, a little different than exercise 1, whereas in exercise 1, we were playing against the wall. When we're moving to the left, we're receiving with the inside of our right, laterally playing against the wall. This time, when we're moving to the left, we're gonna open up our body, receive it on the back foot, so inside of our left, then play it against the wall. Then when we're moving to the right side, we are opening up our body, receiving it with the inside of our right foot, playing against the wall. Exercise 5, really putting ourselves to the test here. We're gonna start out on the back cone, long pass on the wall, follow your pass, another shorter pass, back pedal, receive, good first touch around this cone. Now you're central, same pattern. Long pass, follow your pass, short pass, back pedal, receive it around this cone, play it. Pass and move, precision. Play like Pirlo. Let's see how it's done.